Today, we're going to playing Piggy Book 2. You guys know that Piggy game is very a popular game, and also Piggy game is so a fun game and have a cool animation in YT. And also, it's so amazing game ever. It's a story by Minitoon, right? So today, actually, I am going to play Piggy Book 2. And it has a Piggy Book 1 and Piggy Book 2. And also, I already playing a Piggy Book 2. So today, I'm going to play this Piggy Book. Oh my god, I already played Piggy Book 1. So today, I'm going to play a Piggy Book 2 to see that how to win and what is so amazing about it. Okay, so okay. Okay, now we are in Piggy Book 2. Okay, so let's getting into the game. Oh my god, I wanna pick a map. I wanna pick the first map ever. And guys, you don't forget to click the subscribe button and like button, and also thanks for supporting, and also say something in the comment section down below. Oh well guys, oh my god, everyone picked the second chapter store. It's okay, I want to play that one too. Now we're going to play another one, and I'm so exciting, oh my god. And please say something in the comment section down below what you want me to play next game. Okay. Oh, the bacon guy is a piggy. Okay, so let's see this is story. So this said, remember we are going for batteries and getting out of here. Fine, but if I find any carrot, I'm taking them. Okay, so that's all what they are talking. Okay, and we have to escape the street. The carrot here wouldn't have expired by now, right? Pony, it's okay, climb down. Exactly, Pony. Pony, just climb down, okay? I am going to try to find a carrot for you. Okay, so why are you taking all the keys? Please let me do too, okay? So what is it here? Also, we need a scissor. This is scissor. Okay, so what is it? Let me open the door. Aww. Wait, the door can open. I didn't see anything. Aww. I could move this shelf out of the way if I had some carrot. Aww, Pony. You need only carrot for helping people, huh? Aww. Oh my god. Is it piggy around here? Oh my god. Piggy. OMG. It's a piggy. Run. I didn't see any key. Okay, dude, put it to the pony. Pony. Okay, so pony. Where's pony? Okay, pony. Okay, pony, just move it, okay? Hey, why you only take the keys? How about me? Oh, I found something. I don't know where you use it. It's kinda video game something. Is that? Okay, so I have to find what is it gonna put to. Okay. Ah! Okay, there's nothing here. Hey dude, what I have to put here? Oh, yes, I put it. Why is not opening? Oh, this might be have some more keys around there. Wait, it's a purple key. Wait, I got it. grab for Cece. No. Okay, fine. It's okay, guys. Okay, so Cece, we're going to kill it. Wait. It still need more? I didn't even expect that. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm about to die. Oh my god, but Cece saved my life. Cece, thank you. Okay, so it's time to put it. It's here. Anything, anywhere more? It's here. Okay. I want to see more. Ah! Oh my god, sorry. Oh my god, I was so passed out, okay? Oh my god, it's a board. Aww. Man, what is this? Why is nothing here? I found a crackers. Yeah! Oh my god. Sorry guys, I just died. Oh my god, no. Now I have to watch. What are they doing now? Okay guys, so I nearly get died. So I have to again. So I'm going to another server to fit it. I hope this is not bored. Please God. Please God. Okay, someone just open it. I have to find the TV. No! Oh my god, it's probably... Wait. Don't talk that you're going to come here. Oh my god, I found the blue key. But what am I going to use with the blue key? Where should I use it? Oh, I didn't see blue key. Oh my god. Cece, kill him. No, Cece, you have to do this. Yes. I'm so sorry because of Cece. Wait, someone just nearly take my TV. Okay, but they just threw it over there. Guys, please do it. Oh my god, no! It's coming to me again. Get away from me. I mean, go away from me. No. Oh my god, you wanna play with me? Oh my god, are you a player or something bored? Come on. Don't only following me, following the other, please. I wanna die first again. Oh my god. Wait, we're going to be win? Oh, yes, I win it! Oh my god, I get the pinch. Aha, look, who's back? I told you they'd be back before noon, giraffe. I deal, get rid now. I already have cooked for this after weeks. We already got the batteries. Is the radios ready? It sure is. Let's get this thing working. Are you sure it's working? Greeting, we can hear you. This is Settings speaking. Who is this? Oh, this is that place. How can I help? We are looking for a community to trade with. We like to meet Oh, where should we go to find you? Meet us at sorry. It looked like we lost this time. We should meet them. We have been living together for months without seeing another survivor. I don't think this is a good idea. We don't know anything about them. Is this another one of your jokes, Pony? No, Giraffe. I mean, if we have no idea who these people are, and I don't have any reason to trust them. I agree. I don't think we should trust them, but I still think we should check it out. What? You can't go, Zizi. We don't know who these people are. Pony, we know how to handle ourselves out there. If we get into trouble, we know how to get out of it. Zizi, a point. After all, you do fall on any of infected all boys yourself at the plan. I suppose no. I don't feel right about this, but I guess we should try it anyways. Then it's time to see some new face. Who is staying? I need to stay. I need to have this as much I can before winter comes. I'm going to try and see if I can learn more about this radio. Then it looked like it's us three once more. Let's go meet some survivor guy. Haha. Are you sure this is it is the place we haven't seen anyone? Well, look at these familiar faces. Oh no. Pony, the Axis member, is ashamed you left us. You were a very good friend. It's too bad you are nothing to me now. Blueberry Shiny, the officer who took me away from my friend. Must have felt good to OIP me away from the ones I quarrel about, right? And who might you be? You're certainly someone I've never seen before. You may not know me, but I know everything about you and your secret. Is that so? I suppose Pony told you a lot about us, didn't he, sweetheart? That was one of his many flaws. He could never keep his mouth shut. What to do? Oh, I know. Take the zebra with us. Leave the two rocks. No, leave her alone. Wow. Hold your horses. I don't want to hurt anyone. I'm just taking her for questioning, that's all. It's okay, Pony. I stay safe and come back, I promise. See? She understands now. Let's get out of here. Zizi. There the silver paw. When the infection broke out, I needed to find a girl. Unfortunately, I was stuck with them. They did everything, but I was too scared to leave. What made you leave them, Pony? That's a story for another time. We need to go save Zizi before you're too late. Shouldn't we tell the others for helping us? There's no time, Blueberry Shiny. I need you now. I can't do this alone. Alright, let's follow them. I hope it's going to be good. Okay guys, so what do you guys think? The story about the Piggy Book 2. Okay, so it was so cool, right guys? Yeah. I was kind of pretty nervous too that what is the story, but it was so awesome story ever in Piggy that Minito made it. And also that today is our end video today, so make sure to click the subscribe button and like button to supporting my channel, and thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. See ya.